Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make a shimmery lip oil, and this recipe has measurements. So yeah, continue watching this video if you want to learn how to make shimmery lip oils. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want more content like this. Now let's get on with this video. So this recipe is for a thicker lip oil because it will be really kind of difficult to make a lip oil purely oil and have the glitter stay put and like not sink to the bottom of the tube. Step 1 is to put 3 ounces of Versagel in its own separate bowl because we're going to use 2 bowls, one for Versagel and one for oil. Next we're going to go in with a teaspoon of HP. Second, we're going to go in with a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. We're going to go in with a teaspoon of sweet almond oil. This is a teaspoon of castor oil. Then a teaspoon of clear jojoba oil. You can use the yellow one as well, it really doesn't matter, but clear is better for this recipe. And then next is 3 teaspoons of grapeseed oil. Next is a couple drops of vitamin E oil. I don't have like a specific amount, but you can see how much of the how much was added based on the measurements on the scale. Next is a tablespoon of coconut oil. Pay attention, I used a tablespoon, and now I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of flavoring oil. This kind of is up to your liking how much flavor you want, but I like to use 2 teaspoons. Next is glitter. So I added a glitter and a shimmer. You can add as much as you want. I did around 3 teaspoons of glitter and shimmer. I did 1 teaspoon of glitter and 2 teaspoons of shimmer. So yeah, that's what I use, but you can use as much as you want. Now, the reason I am pouring the liquid over the Versagel is because it will leave less clumps and leave less air bubbles if you do it this way. This way is way better than putting the glitter and all that directly into the Versagel. It's better to do it this way because it leaves a more smoother finish, and this is just what I found works best for me in my business. If you want to know all the exact reasons why I use every single product, I have a couple videos on the best ingredients and the best oils to use in lip gloss and lip oils. But specifically lip oils, I have like the top 10 best ingredients and the reasons why I like them. I will link the video like in the corner, one of these corners, so you'll check those out, and check out my lip oil playlist because I have so many lip oil videos that will help you start your lip oil business and help you create lip oils. This is the consistency. It is so buttery, so smooth, and has the perfect lip oil consistency. And because it has so many lip loving oils, it is amazing. It has amazing benefits for your lips. And here is the swatch, y'all. This lip oil is so pretty. It is so shimmery and glittery on the lips as well, but this lip oil is absolutely gorgeous and super moisturizing and amazing for your lips. Made my lips feel so smooth. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Check out my business, Thebeautypackage, on all social medias, and check out my website if you want to purchase something. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video, especially if you made it all the way to the end. Subscribe because I have way more videos and recipes with measurements coming up soon. So yeah, thank y'all so much, and check out Thebeautypackage.